Okay, everybody, welcome back to the third week of December overview. And we are going to see a rocky week ahead. That's my prediction, especially leading up to Christmas. Just going over a few things that we looked at on Friday. We talked about the yellow zone. When you break through it, normally goes through it. And if so, the yellow zone, for those of you that are members, you see that we mentioned when it comes back, it normally flies straight back through it. Anyway, I'm going to delete absolutely everything and let's go to a fresh, clean chart. And we'll talk a little bit about what we saw last week with the market and what we were looking for. As I said, the previous week candle closed bear. I wanted to see price push up slightly down and then break the high or push down to these areas down below. If it breaks the high, which was 4269.4, then it aligns with the monthly wick to be attacked, which was basically this area here, and we're just purely attacking the rest of the wick to the upside. And as you can see, the monthly is having a real nice surge to the upside, and we've just had news about everything going on with ISIS, and we've got the Sydney terrorist attacks. We've got all these crazy stuff going on right now in the world. So I'm expecting some crazy volatility when the market opens. Anyway, we're looking at the weekly, and the weekly closed a bull candle. Closed above the over here on the left where we had a strong resistance. However, I am still expecting a slight pullback, if not a drastic pullback. Either way, I'm looking for price to come down, and then once we break the open of wherever price starts, then a continuation up. If price opens by pushing up first, then I would be very, very cautious, because if that weekly does flip to a bear candle, this thing could fall as well. Going to the daily closed the bull candle. So I am specifically looking for price to come down and then basically start to create a mini uptrend on the lower time frames, break a key area of support or resistance, should I say, and then continue to attack the wick to the upside. It's a generic move. Going to the 12 hour, the 12 hour is telling me that we're going to see something like this first, coming down to this area and attacking this wick to the downside. And then we go to the 8 hour. Let's take a look at the 8. The 8 is telling me the same thing. So I will try and look for a ram candle inside of this one. So for price to push up and then try and come down, attack this wick. And then maybe there's some liquidity down the bottom here. We'll have a look and then take the liquidity and continue to the upside. Or price might just continue up. Let's go to the 4 hour. Take a look at the 4. Wow, that's not the nicest of candlesticks. We're above TK lines. 3 hour, we're in between, pretty messy. 2 hour, and then we're going to go to the 1 hour. Now we're going to look at the sessions, and here you can see. So we have a low here. We have another low down the bottom. So I would like to see price come and sweep one of these lows, if not both of them, and then a continuation to the upside. So essentially, that would mean that I would have a downtrend being created like so. And I would like to see price, let me get rid of this. I would like to see price basically maybe have a little push up and then push down, take out some liquidity here, either go and break the trend from this one or come down even further, take out this liquidity here on the left. There's two here. There's an Asian low and a NY low. And then I want to see an engulfing. Once I start to see that, then that's where I'll be aware of this. But that'll be the first target and then above that. So that's what we're looking for. For those of you that are members, I'll keep you updated on more things that we see deeper into the charts. Otherwise, I'll see you all on the live call tomorrow, which is open to the public. So the link is in my Telegram chat, which you can find through my social media.